Hello student, today we'll see minimization of logical function specified in SOP and POS form using the K-map up to the 4 variable. For this one, we'll take the example and then we understand how to map or how to minimize the function by using the K-map. So see, this symbol indicates its name is sigma. This one is nothing but sigma. Indicate sum and. This lowercase small m indicates min term. So sigma m indicates sum of min terms. Example, f function a, b, c, d. These are the literals, inputs. Variables names are a, b, c, d is equal to summation of m 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or it is represented in the terms of min terms m1, m2, like these are the numbers we are written as a suffix of the m. So how to solve this function by using the K-map? So first thing is what? If you observe how many maximum, what are the max number exist in the function? So it contains the 15. Its meaning is what? 15 means in the decimal value of 15, 15 is decimal number. If you convert into the binary, then we can represent it 1, 1, 1, 1. Means 4 times 1. 4 times 1. Means what? We require the 4 variable. Sometime, if only f is written and this thing is not given, then at the time you can define any number, a, b, c, d, l, m, n, o, p, or x, y, z, like these are the letters we can utilize. So here the number are given, so 4, we require the 4 variables a, b, c, d. So the number indicates cell location or address within a map is as follow. See now, example, summation of 1, 2, 3 up to the 15. Okay, these are the example is written. Then if you observe the example, in that one 0, 0, 0, all zeros, then see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, might be these are the different example. Okay, we consider this example. Okay, so how we can plot? These are for the homework purpose, previous one. Okay, so here see how we can draw. All zeros means 0, then 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so A, B, C, D. See, A is MSB, D is your LSB. So that's why this number is 1. Then 0, 0, 1, 1 means their decimal equivalent is 3. So what is the written in the respective cells? Their decimal equivalent. Okay, so in this way, so consider any number. Suppose this one 15. So all ones, that's why it is 15. So here is 1, 0. Okay, here is 1 for 11. How the 11 is written? See, 1, 0, and here is 1, 1. Means one number is what? 1, 0, 1, 1. Convert into the decimal 1, 0, 1, 1. That decimal equivalent is 11. That's why we write it as 11. We can keep in your mind one magical figure. It is nothing but 1, 2, 4, 8. Irrespective of their weight, we can write 1 means there, if after doing the addition, their number will be converted. Okay, don't worry if you are not understood. You first write this, practice of writing these numbers into their decimal equivalent. Okay, then if observe here 0 is exist, yes, so we can mark respective value is 1. 1 is exist, so we can mark 1. 3, okay. So where you mark the 1 in the respective cells, those number present in the function. That's why we can mark this term. Remaining location, their value is 0. Remaining location, their value is 0. Now, our next rule is grouping. So, total, try to create the max. So, here 16 is not possible, but 8, see 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, no, 2, 4, 6, right? Groups we are forming with 8, 4, 2 and 1. Octet, quad means 4, pair means 2 and individual means 1. So what I will do, I will make a first group of this all 4 ones. See, these are the one group will form. Then these 2 and these 2, again I will form the another group like this one. This is another one, right? Then again I will form third group, these 4 ones, again these 4 ones. See, these 2 are repeated, will be joined here for this group also, and this one is again. It is valid, it is permitted as per the rules of adjacent cells. But I will not occupy this all ones. For this one, I will occupy these 2. Once I will make of this 4, then these 2 are remaining. For these 2, again I will try for the quad. That's why I will adjust their neighbors ones. Crossing of this 1, 2 are not valid. Again, the bottom side again apply the same rule. These 2 and these 2. Then, how to solve and how to write these terms, right? See here, for this group, which are changing 0, 0 and 0, 1. This number is changed. So we change B, so remove it. A is remaining, but here is what? Means real 0 and 1. These are changed, that's why we remove. And 0 is written, and this is related to what? A. This is value of A. This one is value of B. This is nothing but value of A, and this value is nothing but B. So B is changing because for the first group I will focus this blue color. See, so 0, 1 is changed, so B will be removed. So remaining is what? A bar, because 0 is here. So A bar. Similarly, here is C and D. C and D. D changes. D is changed. So remove it. So remaining is what? C bar. So for the first group, their equivalent is what? A bar into C bar. A bar into C bar. Understood? Now, similarly for these 2, again here the same, means B will cancel, remaining is what? A bar. 0, 1, 1, 1. So 0, 1 means C will be cancelled. So 1, 1 is constant. So that is related to now value of D. So A bar D. A bar D. Like this one, we are solving for the third and fourth. We are written as a this. Okay. So here we are solving the example of this one. Okay. So these are the different example. 0, 1. Here is 0 is missing. So this one is a different example. Okay. So just how we can represent it, that I have given here. Okay. And we are solving by using the different example. Okay. So in this way, we are simplifying SOP form, okay, by plotting into the K-maps. So K-map, how we can enter the values of the K-map, how we can enter the values of that function into the K-map, how we can make the groups, and after making the groups, how you can write their equivalent. How we can write their equivalent. That is again major challenge. So here our conclusion is what? Whenever you write, in that time we important, or you can focus to first how we can plot the K-map. How we can plot the K-map. These are the 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map. It is not mandatory. We can define A, B here, C, D here. We can interchange also. C, D here and A, B here. But again their value will be changed here. Instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, what are the return? That value will be vary according to the MSB as well as the LSB of the function. Here they are defined. D is your LSB and A is your MSB. That's why for this zero, how we write the zero means all are zero for the respective cell. Their value is all are zero. Suppose we 5. How we write the 5 again? See 0 1 0 1 means here cell value is what? 0 1 0 1. So their decimal equivalent is 5 like this one. Okay. So once you do the practice, then it will be understood. Thank you very much.